Vessel operations requires making the right decisions at the right time, so your fleet can spend as much time at sea as possible. However, arranging vessel cleaning can be a complicated task that requires a lot of time, experience, and knowledge. We have made all of this simple. At CleanQuote.com, you can easily book hold cleaning supplies, shore cleaning gangs, tank cleaning, and much more from our global network of verified suppliers. All you need to do is input the destination port of your choice, the time your vessel is due to arrive, and your cleaning requirements. From there, sit tight while vetted suppliers submit quotes for your request within 24 hours. Once you have reviewed the offers, simply pick the supplier who meets your requirements and you are all set. We have individually vetted all suppliers on the CleanQuote platform who all meet or exceed professional industry standards. This minimizes risk and makes it easy and comfortable to book in familiar or less-known ports across the globe. But it doesn't just stop there. CleanQuote gives you an overview of your entire fleet, which ports have the least waiting time, booking history, cleaning inventory levels, and much more. You can even share all of this with the rest of your organization. With CleanQuote, it's easy to ensure that your fleet spend as much time as possible at sea, whilst maximizing your profits. Get started for free at CleanQuote.com and simplify your vessel cleaning process. Vessel cleaning? CleanQuote.